Looking for homes for sale here in Wimauma in one of the greatest communities in the area? Look no further. Come check out this awesome home in the fantastic lagoon community of South Shore Bay. Again, right here in Wimauma in the Tampa Bay area. Benny is our tour guide today.
Hi, I'm Benny. This home is awesome. From the large open space to the good sized bedrooms, I would love to spend my time here living with you. The kitchen, living room, and dining room all are open to each other, so I can watch you cooking in the kitchen from my perch in the living room or by the slider. Speaking of, there's a really nice patio overlooking the yard that would be perfect for me, so you can hang outside with me while you work, or we can sit together drinking a beverage in the mornings. The 4 bedrooms give so much space for me to hang out with whatever human I choose to for the day. There's no tight room at all. Here's even the space that humans can clean my beds and sweaters. This home is great. Give Kaitlyn a call if you want to tour it before it's sold.
To learn more about Benny, the cute little tripod available for adoption at Animal Lovers Dream Rescue, or any other pets adoptable with Animal Lovers Dream Rescue, check out the link in my description below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to this channel for everything Tampa for you and your fur babies, and check out this playlist right here for even more home tours just like this.